Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fermenting crock is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, allowing you to transform simple ingredients into delicious, probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Number 5. Humble House 1 2-gallon Fermentation Crock Kit. Begin your journey into healthy fermentation at home. This kit provides everything you need to make delicious sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles the traditional way. It's a safe, easy, and healthy method to enjoy probiotic-rich foods. This 1 2-gallon crock is ideal for smaller batches, holding over 3 pounds of vegetables. It's the perfect size for creating up to 4 standard mason jars of fermented goodness. Enjoy a stress-free fermentation process thanks to the innovative water channel lid. This design acts as an airlock, keeping unwanted elements out while allowing fermentation gases to escape. Crafted from high-quality, durable ceramic with a lead and cadmium-free glaze. This ensures a food-safe environment for your ferments, promoting stable temperatures and preventing oxidation. This comprehensive kit includes a wood pounder and 2 glazed weights. These accessories ensure your ingredients stay submerged, leading to better, more even fermentation every time. Looking for the perfect gift? This fermentation kit is an excellent choice for anyone who loves making homemade sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles. It's a gift that keeps on giving, promoting healthy eating. What we like? This one offers a robust water channel seal for stress-free fermentation. It also comes as a complete kit with a pounder and weights. If you are looking for a comprehensive package with long-term peace of mind, this is a great choice. What people say? It allows you to pack it in tight, and the weighted pieces keep it packed. These Humble House crocks are a perfect size for one-person jobs or for small batch experimentation. The glaze and finish of the Humble House crocks is excellent. Number 4. Kenley 1 2-gallon Fermentation Crock. Easily create delicious sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles right in your kitchen. This 1 2-gallon crock is perfect for making small batches of your favorite fermented vegetables. Crafted from high-grade stoneware with a food-safe coating, this jar ensures that your fermented foods taste purely of your ingredients. It prevents oxidation and maintains a stable temperature for optimal preservation. Fermentation is made simple with its unique water seal lid. This design allows fermentation gases to escape while preventing air from entering, ensuring your vegetables are perfectly preserved and taste fantastic. Keep your ingredients submerged with the included unglazed waiting stones for perfect brining. Use the pounder to pack down vegetables, releasing juices and accelerating the fermentation process. This fermenting crock is double glazed for effortless cleaning and care. It's durable, elegant, and a beautiful addition to any countertop. The included weights ensure everything stays below the brine, while the pounder helps prepare your ingredients. These tools are key to a successful and flavorful fermentation. What we like? This option boasts high-grade ceramic with a food-safe coating for pure flavors. It's also designed for easy cleaning. If you prioritize a clean fermentation process and appreciate a product that's simple to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say? Nice crock for small batches of fermented or pickled veggies. There were no odors as my sauerkraut fermented and my first batch was delicious. I appreciate the heavy feel of the crock and look forward to experimenting with next summer's harvest. Easy to use, easy to clean, and it's actually aesthetically pleasing on my counter. The crock feels solid and has so far resisted my attempts to break it. The crock has held up to this abuse. Number 3. TOMO Fermentation Crock with Weights, 7L. Experience superior quality with this fermentation crock. It combines innovative design with traditional craftsmanship to help you make nourishing, probiotic-rich foods at home. Crafted from the finest natural earthenware, its durable ceramic walls are designed to last a lifetime. The ceramic also blocks UV light, preserving all the nutrients and healthy enzymes. Enjoy delicious results every time with its wide waterlock seal. This feature creates an oxygen-free environment, allowing gases to escape while keeping air out. The fully glazed interior prevents odors and is made of high-quality, non-porous ceramic. Cleaning is simple with warm soap and water. Available in convenient sizes, this vessel is perfect for making sauerkraut, pickled vegetables, or brewing kombucha. Choose the size that best fits your needs. What we like? This fermenting crock features an extra-wide waterlock seal that requires less refilling. Its durable ceramic construction is built to last. If you're a frequent fermenter or want a professional-grade vessel for consistent results, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is very aesthetic as well as functional. It is very sturdy as well as a great quality. I would definitely recommend it for fermenting needs. I love the weights inside as well as the wooden wand. It holds a lot of cabbage and I can fill it up and let it do its magic. It works and does the job well. It seems to be good quality crock and I would buy it again. The weights are glazed, which I like, and easy to slip in and out, but still a bit bigger than the opening, so they don't fall out by accident. It's well made enough that I'm tempted to get the smaller size to use as a jar for dog biscuits. Number 2. Traditional Sichuan glass fermenting jar. Discover the traditional way to preserve your favorite fruits and vegetables at home. This easy-to-use jar allows you to create delicious pickled goods with simple ingredients. Enjoy naturally preserved produce that lasts for years without any artificial preservatives. Just add a little salt water to the crock for perfect pickles, onions, beans, and more. Our innovative water seal lid lets fermentation gases escape while keeping air out. This ensures your vegetables are perfectly preserved and prevents any unwanted odors from escaping. Crafted entirely from clear glass, this jar features a simple water airlock system. There are no rubber gaskets or moving parts to wear out, offering a reliable and long-lasting solution. Embrace the health benefits of fermentation. This process creates beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and vitamins, promoting a healthy digestive system with delicious homemade kimchi, sauerkraut, and more. With a generous 4.5-liter capacity, you have plenty of space to ferment a variety of produce. Its thoughtful design makes it a practical addition to any kitchen. What we like. This all-glass design with a simple water airlock means no rubber parts to replace. You can also see your ferments clearly through the glass. If you prefer a minimalist design with easy monitoring and no concerns about deteriorating parts, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The density of the glass is similar to a standard glass pitcher or even a mason jar. The seal works perfectly. It's self-explanatory to use and we actually enjoyed listening to it bubble, proving that gas was escaping and no bad bacteria was entering. The volume says just over a gallon and accurate. We added 12 cups of liquid, full gallon of ACV plus some ingredients for fire cider here with plenty of room for your pickling fermenting needs. Number 1. Ohio Stoneware 2-gallon crock. Introducing the Ohio Stoneware 2-gallon crock, your perfect partner for preserving and storing vegetables. It's designed for both functionality and ease of use in your kitchen. Crafted from reliable stoneware, this crock is lead-free and naturally safe. Cleaning is a breeze, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Beyond preserving, it doubles as a stylish pantry or kitchen container. Its versatility makes it an essential addition to any home. Built to last, this durable crock is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Enjoy convenience without compromising on quality. Trust in its robust stoneware construction to keep your vegetables fresh and ready. It's the ideal solution for all your food storage needs. What we like. This crock is made from lead-free stoneware and is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. It's also durable and easy to clean. If you need a versatile vessel that can be used for both fermenting and general kitchen storage, and appreciate the convenience of easy cleaning, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Very heavy and durable, great quality. Excellent quality, durable and well made. Good craftsmanship. It is huge, holds all my kitchen utensils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.